Hi everyone, so today we have this platform called ZoomInfo, and this is the best B2B data and software to get valuable buyers. So of course you're going to be needing to identify valuable buyers in the market and avoid the potential spams, scams and that type of stuff. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses, so make sure to try that out. Now talking about the solutions the platform provides, if you are a contact and a company search, if you want different type of contacts to be added, you can do that in here. If you want sales automation, conversation intelligence, so basically that is based on AI that they provide, and you can get your instantly access and different type of team management systems using this. So since this is a platform for B2B data and to get of course valuable leads, it is going to be offering that type of features. Of course, you can see we have our website chat, web form optimization and many other workflow automation integrations as well that it offers. It also have data management, so that is really important to get your data organized, and you can see it have different type of payment systems. And if you want to go for sales, marketing and operations, everything is potentially available in here for your business. Talking about its pricings and plans, you can see it offers 3 different plans, and it is basically depending on what type of business that you are running. So you're going to be needing to contact them to get your pricing as well, but it is something that is totally worth trying out if you are trying to get some legit leads and deals. Now talking about reviews, it has some awesome reviews as well. Great tool to get more accurate leads in less time moving in the office with Zoom. So make sure to give a try to ZoomInfo using the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.